Alright, today we are going to remove the pressure switch from my Rheem furnace. It's right there. It's held in by those two screws. Just connect those two wires, pull the tube off. Then we get out of there because we gotta go to a parts place, and we gotta get a new one. It's going bad. Gotta find this light up position here. Not very good light for this application, but screws are right here. All I have to do is, well, one's the tip. Probably should do that before I start messing with wires here. So two screws right here. So we unscrew this. As soon as I'm gonna set my camera right here. Remove one screw. Set it in a safe place, then another one. I gotta hold the pressure switch. Ignore background noise, it's brother singing. Okay, anyways, here comes the pressure switch. Okay, here it is right here. Pull this tube apart. Set it down again. Try to get a position where you can see. Kind of see here, then remove this tube right here. Or better yet, just remove it from the inducer. See, there's the tube. Then I disconnect the wires from the pressure switch. Now sometimes these are very hard to get off. I'm hoping they'll come out. Because they got to come out anyways. Okay, these are pretty stubborn. Wires are hard. I think it's coming though. Maybe. Looks like it is. Yep, there's one. And then another one. There we go. Okay, just remember which one goes where. Alright. Purple one goes to the one that's... Okay, get my light here. Okay, so that's the pressure switch. It's a pressure switch. This one shows a number right here. It says MPL-9300-V-0.30 DACT-N/O-VS. Some other numbers, right? Might be hard to see because this thing doesn't focus. Some numbers in the middle there. And bottom says D/2 let's see, that is, I believe, July 2002. So yeah, that's it. It's a pressure switch. There's wires. And there's a connects right there. So yeah, I'll be replacing this. Just need to get the information, and looks like it's 30, 0.30 for the pressure on it. And it's probably be about 50 bucks. It's more expensive than an igniter or a flame sensor or anything like that. Which reminds me, we probably need a new flame sensor too. You can see the furnace is kind of dirty. It's igniter, spark, flame sensors. One right, these are rollout sensors. The one right back there is a flame sensor. Gas valve, Honeywell. Yeah, there's an inducer. Pretty loud when it's running, but works. And the pressure switch wires. Alright. So that's it for this video. One more time. Look at the pressure switch. Here's the other side. One more look at the numbers. Okay, so that's it. I will be back when we get a new one. Alright, over and out.